Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. Hope you all are fine by God's grace. Holidays are about to end and schools will start soon. Today I am going to share Methi Paratha recipe. I have taken 1.5 cups of chopped fenugreek leaves. This is crushed garlic, green chilli and cumin. These are carom seeds or ajwa. I have taken 1 cup of multigrain atta. Adding half cup of besan or gram flour to it. Half teaspoon of salt. Adding crushed garlic, green chilli and cumin paste. Adding 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Adding water, I am going to knead the dough. I have also added ajwa, but I forgot to show it. Let it set for 15 to 20 minutes. Take some dough and roll it. Put it on hot pan and apply some oil. You can apply butter or ghee if your kids love it. This is one of the good items for school tiffin. It can be served with pickles and green chutney. Those kids who do not eat green leafy vegetables, this is the good way to feed them. This paratha looks dry as I have used multigrain atta. You can have paratha with green chutney, curd or delicious homemade ghee. Today I am going to share one tip and information on betel leaf. And these are betel leaves. These leaves are considered auspicious in religious ceremonies, marriages and pujas. They are packed with medicinal and other health benefits. They are loaded with vitamin C and great source of calcium. They can reduce the level of sugar in blood and they are effective in weight loss too. They can prevent oral cancers. They can heal wound and they have cooling properties which provide relief from aches when applied externally. They also improve our digestive health. And everyone loves Banarasi pan. You can get these leaves from market or you can plant it in your garden too. I am going to use these leaves while making ghee. I have stored this butter and I have kept it on the gas flame to prepare ghee out of it. And now I am going to add betel leaf in it. The smell and taste of your ghee will enhance by adding these betel leaves. These leaves will turn crispy. You will notice amazing smell of your ghee. And now I have strained the ghee. So this was one of my tips to prepare ghee. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And this is our dear friend Piku, who visits regularly. Nowadays, Piku is busy in making his house for rainy season. He loves eating sweet corn.